Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we will start with the Revit User Interface. When we start Revit, we'll have this screen. The left part for open an exist Revit model or to make a new project from here. And this part for families, we can open exist family from here, or to make a new family from here. The right part for recent files. This for recent project recently opened, and this part for recently opened families. We will start with a new project from here. This is a screen for templates. We have to select one of these templates. We can start with construction, architecture template, structural template, or mechanical template, or we can browse for other template. And this part for start the project based on this template, or to select this template and modify on it. We will start with new project and press OK. Now we have this screen. The top part for Ribbon Bar. To make any new element from here, we can change its view from this bottom like this. Ribbon Bar have tabs. Architecture tab for architecture elements, and we have structure and steel, systems for MEP, insert to insert new files, annotate for 2D elements, analyze for structural loads, massing for work with curtain systems, or make turbo surface, or control the building bed. Collaborate for network team work. View to make any new view for your project, like sections, elevations, plan view, schedules, sheets, and so on. Manage to control your project. You can control materials, snaps, project information, project units to make purge, add location, coordinates, position, to manage links. You can also work with the dynamo from here. And next we have add-ins. If you download from Autodesk plugin like convert your project to Lumion, will be and install it. It will be here, and so on. Next we have modify tab. To modify any element, select any element like this. This tab will go to be green and will control this element. You can make copy, move, rotate, mirror, offset, align, copy to clipboard, and so on. After Ribbon Bar, we have this area for drawing the project, and its name level 1. We have at the left bar the project browser. If it not exists, we can go to view, select user interface, and we have all parts of project. We can select properties and project browser from here, and any other bar. Project browser for have all project views. If you open this, you will have floors, plans, ceiling plans, elevations. If you have section, if you make a section like this, it will have a new tab. If you open it, you will see the section. Double click to go to it. After views, we have legends. For if we make any legends, it will be under this tab. Next we have schedules and quantities. If we make any schedule or quantities, it will be under this tab. Sheets for any sheets in the project. If we have sheets, it will under this tab. Next we have families tab. If we open it, we will see all families in our project, like doors, walls, windows, annotation tags. Any family, our project will be under this tab. Next we have groups tab. It will have any group in our project. Next we have Revit links. If we take a link and link it to our project, it will be under this tab. Next part we have properties. Properties for any selected element. If we select element, it will show the properties of it. If I select nothing, it will show the properties for the view that I select. Section, building section, that will and it will show the properties for it. Next bar for our project is the below bar. It shows the properties for this view, like a scale. We have our scale from here. We can change it from here, or add new one from custom. Next we have detail level from coarse, medium, fine. It will depend on our scale. Next we have graphic display option, like wireframe, hidden, shaded, realistic. Next we have some pass. Next we have shadow. Next we have crop view and show crop view. Next we have isolate, to isolate element or isolate any category. Next we have reveal hidden elements. If I hide any element and I want to show it, I will press it here and it will be shown as red. Next we have a quick access bar at here. You can see it at top like this, but I prefer to make it show below ribbon bar like this. Quick access bar is a bar for most used icons, like open project or family, save, scenic if I work with a network team, undo and redo, print, measure any distance between any elements, make a dimension, tag, make a text, go to 3D view, make a new section, control lines thin or not thin, switch window to go to other views, close inactive views. Thank you, and see you next lesson. Thank you. Bye.